In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can attach an image on DeepSeek AI. So, without further ado, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to chat.deepseek.com and log in to your DeepSeek AI account. From here, click on the clip icon on your search node. This would allow you to attach a file, including an image, on DeepSeek AI. Keep in mind, however, that DeepSeek AI can only analyze images with words on it or with text. So I'm going to open this, wait for a few seconds, and then click on enter. Once you enter that, DeepSeek AI will automatically analyze the image that you just sent. And from here, you can see that is the analyzation of DeepSeek AI. So if you find this video helpful and want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.